Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming who owns the meeting and that the scheduled time is correct. This avoids permission conflicts later. Once done, make sure your team's app is up to date and your network is stable so changes propagate. You should also open the meeting details and verify the participant list and guest access. This is why you can reassign roles or resend invites immediately. Doing these prerequisites lets you take the first corrective actions without wasting time on trial and error. Next, dive into meeting options and change presenter rights and lobby settings because control issues often block fixes. Once done, edit the meeting link or channel target if attendees report incorrect links and update recurrence if the schedule changed. You should reassign a presenter or resend invites to specific attendees so they receive fresh permissions. This resolves most access problems. While doing this, keep chat open and notify participants of the change so everyone knows to refresh their calendar. Finally, save all changes and resend the updated invite. This forces teams to update attendee permissions. Then test joining as a guest or sign in from another account to verify settings work the way you expect. Make sure to check audio and video device selection in meeting settings so participants aren't locked out by device choices. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to clear Teams cache and restart the app. That often resolves permission and link sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.